at the top 5 reasons your newly installed certified Dexter dryer won't start. First, you want to make sure you have the correct power hooked up to this machine. In the electrical box, they leave 2 wires hanging for you. The white one's neutral, black one's hot. Ground goes right to the case wherever there's an available screw. With your meter, you want to make sure that you have 110 volts when you go from hot to ground, when you go from hot to neutral, and then if you go from neutral to ground, you should get nothing. Verify that that's correct. After that, if it still won't start, you're going to want to check the machine for any loose wiring. Unfortunately, it can be a little rough during shipping, and sometimes something will jiggle free. So back here, make sure everything's tight on the spades on this little bus bar. On the front side, you're going to want to check the main computer. This is all labeled by color, if you look. We've got gray for the gray plug here, red for red, blue and white, red and white. All the way down they're labeled. Pretty easy. The main thing you want to make sure is you don't plug the plastic ones in backwards. They have like little teeth on them, and they face the white tab. After you've verified you have the correct power and you can't find any loose wiring, you're going to want to make sure that your airflow switches are still in alignment. These guys back here, you want to make sure they're not stuck on this lower plate and that they move back and forth freely. You should be able to hear the switch click. After that, you're going to want to make sure your door switches are still lined up properly. This pin here pushes in here. You can hear the switch clicking. So make sure that you hear it when you shut the door. After that, one of the more common problems due to shipping with these is you're going to want to make sure that one of your motors actually isn't jammed. You never want to step on these. If they get banged, they can actually jam the fans right into the machine. So you just want to make sure that everything spins nice and freely by hand. It's not going to go fast, but there shouldn't be any resistance in here. If it still won't start after that, be sure to contact us so that we can help you out.